Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is the Ani Curls and I am back with another video. So today I am going to be stretching my wash and go by doing the banding method. If you would like to see a full detail of my wash and go, I'll link the video down below in the description box. So I'll start this off by doing a normal wash and go, applying my leave-in. The leave-in that I'm using is Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. This is my favorite product. I use this product for everything. It really moisturizes and defines my curls. You can really see the difference in my curl patterns here. On the sides of my hair, I feel that I'm a little more 3B. So I have to handle those curls a little differently than how I do the back of my hair. It seems like they have to be like shooken out to get curled, opposed to like just finger detangling like I do the back of my hair. Once you finish applying product, you always want to shake and fluff your hair out. It helps to define the curls better and really spread the product. From there, I'll just divide my hair into 4 sections and then add the rubber bands into smaller sections. You want to make sure that the scrunchies are really stretchy, so I would recommend getting like new scrunchies for this hairstyle. And then on detangled hair, you just want to tie the scrunchie onto your head and then just work the scrunchie down your hair. Depending on the length of your hair and the thickness of your hair, you may need more than one hair tie, but for me, I just use one hair tie. And then my hair kept wanting to like unravel out of the scrunchie, so at the ends of the tie, I just double tied it. And then I kind of also just stretched the rubber band out onto my hair. Once you finish, you just want to make sure that the scrunchies aren't too tight on your hair. You don't want to cause any breakage, and then you also want to just make sure that you moisturize your edges. So I'm just going to let these dry overnight and take them out in the morning. When you take them out, you want to make sure that you're gentle. You don't want to just rip them out of your head, because then, like I said, you'll cause unnecessary breakage and stress onto your hair. Once you take the scrunchies out, you can separate the curls, making sure that you have oil on your hands to prevent frizz. Make sure that you fully separate the curls so that you won't have like clumps of curls in your hair or parts in your hair, and it'll look way better once all of the curls are separated. I decided to go with a twisted top bun because I felt like the top of my hair was too frizzy to all be out, and plus I really didn't want a middle part. Next time I won't put my hair in sections directly down the middle because I don't like the middle part with this style. All done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe.